What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to look on the markets, see how the market's been performing for the past 24 hours. We will look on our positions. Please feel free to follow along because I'm gonna show you, as always, show you my positions. That means like you can compare with mine. Maybe you're doing way better than me, or maybe I'm doing way better. Who knows? We're just gonna see if our positions are going up, down, sideways, or whatever they're doing. And after that, we also want to look into price a lot more in details, because I've been telling you guys for I don't know how long now, things are happening. Things are happening. But anyways, before we get to that, today it's like everybody keeps asking me, like people I know, the guys that are close to me, they keep asking me, why do I trade Casper, Quant, and Jasmine, and not Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana and all that stuff? Why do I trade on those coins only? The answer is simple. In a bull run, it doesn't matter how many coins you are trading. The important thing is that you are trading with winners. You need winners. You don't need, it's like people saying meme coins. Yeah, you can make a lot of money with meme coins if you, excuse me. Yeah, you can make a lot of money with meme coins if you get that perfect entry, either on spot or on leverage. If you get the perfect entry. But the problem with meme coins in the bull run when they're going up is like nobody knows. You don't know. They're like a lottery. You don't know which meme coin is gonna do good or is gonna do bad. Hence, I rather choose with coins that I have done extensive research on. So I will give you, for example, Casper. Let's start with Casper. I'm telling you guys, Casper is going to dominate this market for the next 10 to 20 years or even more than that. Because Casper, they've already hinted that the smart contracts are coming up. And I've said this a lot of times in this channel. For me, Casper still on testnet. Once those smart contracts get released, guys, Ethereum is in trouble. Solana, Solana was already in trouble by the time they released the white paper for Casper. All these layer ones coming behind, Sui, wherever you call them, once Casper get this smart contract released, you will see. People like you and I who are investing really don't care about any other mumbo jumbo they give you out there. All we care about is to make our bags go up. And guys, a stable coin in any ecosystem makes that ecosystem very, very attractive. Look at Tron. Before Tron had the TUSDT, the TR, how do you call their stable coin? Before they had it, Ethereum was dominating. Even though Ethereum was so expensive, Ethereum was so lagging, but yet Ethereum was dominating. As soon as Tron got their stablecoin into the ecosystem, now watch. You see that people who invested in Tron then, and see how much profit they've made right now, because everybody knows DeFi is what rules. DeFi is what rules. And now when you come to Casper, not only that, Casper is very fast. And yet we're even having like probably Q1 of 2025, they are going to upgrade to 10 blocks per second. That will even make it much more faster. Insane is not the word. The word I'm trying to use is even crazy insane. I don't know if that is possible, but crazily insane. That will be it. So therefore, when you look at Casper on the DeFi aspect, fast is number one. Second, a stable coin. Once you get a stable coin, it will be like even for you to go to the regular market to use your card, and I can see the hints on the wall, the writings on the word, on the walls, that probably MasterCard, Visa, they are going to try to get a piece of this action. You understand? So you can spend your meme coins or whatever you want to spend and pay for your stuff. And instead of using Ethereum, which is very expensive to use and slow, I think they're gonna go for Casper because transactions are gonna be cheap and million times faster. Like you swap, you send here. If I'm trying to send my brother, my mom, or whoever, let's say I live in the United States and I'm trying to send money across the globe, let's say somewhere in Europe, it's gonna be fractions of a second. Just click that button, confirm, gone. You got it? Yep, right now. Right? That's why you gotta look at it. You gotta look at Casper with a different set of eyes. And I say it again. You guys remember when the smart contracts were enabled for just a few, excuse me. When smart contracts were enabled for just a few hours, you saw the volume that happened. Look at the volume. Casper was killing it. Guys, it's about to happen again. Look at the price action, just moving sideways. Moving sideways. It's about to happen again. That is just for the short term. Long term, ooh. Look at the growth. I spent only $650 to get the amount of Casper that I have right now. For you to get the same amount of Casper today, you will have to spend almost $100,000. Look at the growth. So therefore, I can tell you that the same amount of Casper in a year, maybe by next year, you are going to need probably $2-3 million to get it. And by 2030, it's even more, gonna go more crazier. Because I think the second run from this, Casper will be trading above $100. You guys are going to see it. It's going to happen. Second coin, look at Quant. A lot of people are complaining about Quant, but I'm telling you guys, you need to pick winners. Quant is a clear winner because Quant is not competing with Chainlink or XRP or no, guys. Quant is looking for a seat on the big table. The main competition for Quant is a Swift system. Swift, which move the money around the world right now is getting moved with Swift. That is where Quant is competing, not on the normal level. And on top of that, when you look at the overledger is like telling XRP, Link, and the rest of them like you guys are still kids. Because if you look, the ISO 20 and ISO whatever numbers they are all, excuse me, they are all able, if the banks want to be using those coins, let's say you have XLM, you have XRP, you have a Chainlink, whatever, if you want to store them in the bank, they are all going to need to use, again, the Quant overledger. That's why I'm telling you guys, Quant is one of the biggest winners in this thing. It's one of the biggest winners. A lot of people don't want to see it. They're only looking at the price action right now. Zoom out and look at the price of Quant. When you look out, you will see that it is normal what it is doing. It's normal. We are in a symmetrical triangle. It's normal. And the bull run just went into second gear. It just kicked. And a lot of people are going to sit over here and tell you, oh yeah, it's going down. If Quant goes down to $40, guys, I'm going to move money around to even buy more. Although right now I have a leverage position, I can tell you guys, like, I don't think it's going to lower anymore. On the weekly, look at Quant on the weekly. RSI has reset. MACD has about to cross. Everything is setting up that Quant is about to run. And you guys are about to see. Once this legislation on stablecoin goes through, everything is is falling into place like a puzzle. They are advertising their overledger. They have updated their terms and conditions. They already started mentioning staking. You will see. You will see. And the most bullish part of it, Bitcoin is 21 million coins. And it's $70,000 or 60, whatever price it is right now. Quant is 14 million coins. What do you think will happen once Quant start getting there? 200 billion market cap, 300 billion market cap, or 500 billion market cap. In this, in the near future, you will start to see that. And what will happen to the price of Quant? You will see Quant at $20,000, 30, 40, 50. I'm telling you guys, by 2030, Quant will be more valuable than Bitcoin. You are going to see it. It will be more valuable because you guys already know the financial system that we are using right now is messed up. Okay, it's effed up, and everybody else is looking for another way, and that's where Quant will come in. A lot of people think that, oh, the banks are going to disappear. Guys, banks are going to adapt to the system. They're going to adapt, and once they adapt, Quant is a major player on that. Now, you can say the SWIFT system for the big players. You and I, we don't move trillions of dollars. We don't care about that. But our day-to-day life is what we care about. Let me go buy groceries. Let me pay for my gas. Let me do this. And everybody knows we are transitioning into the crypto world. And that crypto world involves our local bank. And our local banks involve using the overledger. Put the dots together. Put the dots together and you will see. Now, that leads me to the third coin that we are trading, Jasmine. We're going digital. Everybody right now, let's see, if you've been watching YouTube videos about stuff that you watch just pop up, right? Without you even need to search for them, they pop up. You get advertisement, you get all that stuff. Everybody knows how much money Google makes. And that is where people are beginning to look at, you know what, you're using me to make money, but I'm not getting anything out of it. Therefore, Jasmine is heading to that direction. Lately, they just signed an agreement with Samsung, with Apple, all of them. Guess what? Excuse me again. It's going to be like whoever that controls the data gets the most of the clients. You understand? That is where this thing is going. And plus, look at the whole country of Japan. They are all leaning towards Jasmine because Jasmine is something native to them. It's from their, so they promote it themselves. Therefore, you have to really look into things before you get into them. Like I'm saying, I pick winners because I did my research, my extensive research on all of them. That is why I'm trading these three coins. After this run, I will see again if they're still doing the same, which I can tell you from now that I will still hang around with Casper because Casper is a 10 to 15 years or even longer than that, you're still going to be making a lot of money with Casper. Quant, I will hang around with it. Like I said, I'll make money, buy some more, get money, get some more, because the more you stake, the more money you make. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing. Crypto bubbles. Send me my crypto bubble right here. So you can see, I told you guys this yesterday. Everybody was getting bearish, and I was like, no, guys, this thing is taking off slowly. Now let's go look for the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. So let's look at first King Casper, KAS. Let's get here, King Casper, right there. Okay, excuse me for a second. There you go. For the past 1 hour, okay, you can see that it's been taking place already. For the past 1 hour, Casper is up 0.2%. For the past day, we are up 1.6%. On the weekly, 4.7% down. On the month, 10.5% down. And on the year, Casper is up 301%. Okay, so let's go look at the next coin, which is Quant, QNT. There you go. See, Quant is making moves. For the past hour, we are up 0.2%, 2.1% up on the day, 4.2% down on the week, 15.7% down on the month. And you look at the yearly, it's dropping again, 36.9% down. It is still dropping. So I think like a week ago, we was like a 40 something percent, 48, 49%, and it's dropping. Now let's go look at Jasmine. JASMY. Here we go. See that? Everything is beginning to make moves. For the past hour, 1.2% up, 2% up on the day, 2.9% down on the week, 28.6% down on the month, and on the yearly, Jasmine still up 519%. So, when you look at those numbers, again, what are they telling you? Price is beginning to rev up those engines. We are getting something, I can say we are getting ready for a massive move. You have to look on the higher time frames. Go on the daily, go on the weekly on those charts, and you will see it. We are getting ready for something very big. Anyways, now let's go look at the trading view right quick. Let's try to go into a little bit of the details in price. Let's look at trading view right here. We're going to start with Casper as always. As you can see, yesterday I told you guys this was what was going to happen, and also it helps, like when you look at Bitcoin made a specific move. Yesterday we were somewhere here. I told you it was going to break above this and above this line of resistance. We were doing pretty good, went above it, tested it, and then Bitcoin also pumped. Bitcoin went to like $61,000, something like that, depends on what chart you're looking at. And then Bitcoin dumped, and the dump on Bitcoin, you can see we also follow the same dump. But in the past 2 hours, as you can see, Casper is beginning to recover, because I'm telling you guys, this line right here, this support/resistance line is very important. So again, I'm expecting Casper to try the same thing it did here, to go above it, turn it into support, and go above it, go above the 200 moving average, and from there we can start climbing to the next resistances. Now if you go on the 4 hourly, let's go here. If you go on the 4 hourly, the most immediate, okay, once we break above it, the most immediate resistance or support is going to be here around 16.8, 16.9. So that's what Casper is going to try to take. Apart from that, everything is still playing out the same. There's not difference since the last update about yesterday. Again, see, when we are going the daily, we are playing just as planned. See that? Next resistance is going to be there. Once we go past this 16.8, we have a little bit of resistance here, because some people think it's a channel that we are forming. Okay, I think it's a triangle, but if you look at it as a channel, this will make you that we are bouncing from the top to the bottom, But yes, the ultimate part of it is that we're trying to go to the main resistance up here, 19.6. That's the main resistance. Once we go past there, Casper will then go to the ultimate part, that the last all-time high that we hit, which was around 21.2, 21.3 cents. So yeah, now let's go look at Quant right quick. Let's go look at Quant, QNT on Binance. There. As you can see, again, yesterday I told you guys the same thing on Quant. Price was showing signs, okay? Those signs are that we are about to reverse, and a lot of people maybe did not believe it. See that this resistance now turned into support. Price came down, touch it, and now we are going, and we actually went and touched this resistance at $65. We touched it, and Bitcoin dumped. We got retraced back a little bit again. Let me go on the 1 hour. Maybe in the 1 hour we can see even a little bit closer. See that? Exactly like I told you guys will happen. Price jumped. Okay, now what Quant is trying to do is remain above the moving average, the moving ribbon. Oh, come on. Once you remain above the moving ribbon, we also breaking above the moving average, the 200 moving average. Bounce from it and then try to go back up again. Retry the $65 price, which is being the resistance, the short-term resistance that we have. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit. See, let me take this out. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see Quant is actually right now fighting with that 200 moving average. That's what we're trying to break above. It's still green. Again, you got to look at the signs. You see that the moving ribbon is curving up. we are fighting below the moving average, the 200. So I'm expecting it to break above it, ride the ribbon, and keep on going higher. Now, if I go on the 4-hourly, see, it's even there, much more clear. See, we're breaking above the ribbon, breaking above the ribbon. I'm expecting it to turn into support and go try it again. If we do that, we'll be looking at moving above the 200 moving average, which is around 66, $67, and then go from there. I'm telling you guys, you gotta look at it even to the bigger picture, because that will be, you gotta look at it on a weekly. All this, guys, it is just the noise for something major. Look at this. On the weekly, we went above that resistance. Now we tested it. I'm expecting this to start rising up, from here. And then you need to look again. I keep repeating it. When I zoom out, I did have a Fibonacci retracement that shows everything. So everybody looking at $40, and I keep telling you, no, the next price is going to be here. This is the most important thing. We need to break above this downwards resistance on the symmetrical triangle, and then this 128, 129 price for quant. So yeah, get ready, guys. Get ready, because quant is a winner. It's a winner, and you're about to make an insane amount of money in the next 3 months to come. You're about to see it. Now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. JASMY. I told you guys, for me, I was still a little bit bearish on Jasmy until we break above 2.3 cents, like I said. So right now, if I zoom out a little bit, Jasmy is doing exactly as we predicted. I told you guys this, let's go here. This was a bull flag. We broke above, and it seems like that was a fake out. We came back, and now we are forming a falling edge. Again, it's still a bull flag because we are just testing on top of that support. Okay, now once we break out of this should lead us on a falling wedge. Price always go at the origin of the falling wedge, which is somewhere above there, around that 4.2 cents once we break out. But we have a resistance at that 2.3. Until we break this 2.3 resistance, I'm still a little bit bearish on Jasmy for the short term, but we need to break above it, and that's what is happening right now. The move has already started. Let me go on the 1 hour so you guys can see it. Right there, 1 hour. See, let me zoom out. I'm telling you, the move has already started. See, we are already breaking above the moving average, the 200 moving average. We are also trying to break above the moving ribbon. So the move has started, and today actually we broke above it until Bitcoin dumped, because I was watching the charts when it was happening. You see, we broke above it and it was doing good, then Bitcoin dumped, and look at how quick the price action went right above it again. Like I'm saying, this thing is about to run. Okay, it's about to do what we are all expecting, but I am expecting it to go at least 2.3 cents. Okay, if you look at this right here, see, we are right in the ribbon, and 2.3 cents is way all above there. We're going sideways, getting ready for that potential move. Now, everybody who keeps thinking that Bitcoin is going down to 30,000, they're about to have the surprise on their life, guys. If you look at the liquidity map on Bitcoin, it shows there's all the billions and billions of dollars. They are all above 72,000 to 73,000. That's where the money is, and the market always does the difference. Always does the opposite. If people think you are bearish, it goes bullish. If people think it's bullish, it goes bearish. So yeah, I'm expecting this to go above, break above 2.3, break above the 200 moving average, and take away from there. So like I've always said, these settings, like I just showed you, they are all opportunities. You can 5x, 10x, 20x your money. Not financial advice, but that's what I am doing. Forget about meme coins, guys. Time will come on this channel when we will start dealing with meme coins. I will tell you guys when, and I will show you. As always, I'm always transparent in everything that I do. Now, Do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money very, very easily. But if you do know what you're doing, the links are below. Sign up, deposit what they're asking you for, and get the free money. Once you get free money, start trading. You can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. What really matters to me is that you are making money, because that's the whole point of this my millionaire journey. Understand? Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick, starting with my Bydfi. Okay, let's go with my Bydfi, which is here. On this one, you guys already know we're trading. we're just going we're just going sideways, not moving, not going anywhere. But I'm telling you guys, it's about to happen. My overall is still at $9,500, which I am very happy, because hey, at least it's no longer below 6,000 or 4,000. It's going up. But anyways, let's look at the contracts right quick. See that Bitcoin is pumping again. It's going up to $59,000. But my two contracts, this is where I want to call your attention to. You guys remember my Casper, I was down negative 20, 30%. You see the price is beginning to move. So I'm now negative 11, getting closer to turn to be positive. On my Quant, you guys remember I was down like 8, 9%. Now it's also moving. I'm down 2%, which again, I'm not worried about this, because Quant here and Casper, these are my long-term trades. Depends on how the market is acting. Now let's go look at before we do that, look at this. I was trying to take guys the other day. See, I have my set position, my take position for Quant at $5,000, because I believe once this staking starts to take place, Quant is going to run to that or even higher. And once Quant gets there, guys, this position is about to make me $1.2 million. Fingers crossed. $1.2 million. I think Quant will go past that, but let's see. We're about to see. I'm just waiting for all these projects to start coming out, gateways and overlays are getting used and stuff like that, to see what the price action is going to look like. But anyway, let's go to my Phemex right quick. Let me go to my Phemex right here. Let me sign in. As you can see, my Phemex is also doing pretty good. My overall, I'm still at 14,500. You see that? So yeah, money is being made. Let's look at my contracts. When you look at my contracts, again, my Jasmine, I'm a little bit bearish, but it doesn't say like it's about to like switch. I think once Bitcoin start to pump, Jasmine will also start to pump too, because Jasmine is already showing the signs like I just showed you guys. But anyways, on my Jasmine right now, I am still down 16%, which is around 1,900. On my Casper, I am still down 7%, which is around $350. But you got to look at the bigger picture, guys. For example, look at Jasmine. Okay, let's look at Jasmine. The targets are 8 cents. Okay, at 8 cents, look at 0.8 cents. This position will make me $47,000. Okay, that's number one. The next target is 12 cents. Okay, at 12 cents, this position will make me $80,000. I've showed you guys so many times on this channel, the ultimate resistance is at 20 cents. At 20 cents, this position will make me $146,000. You see that? I am getting ready to make the money. I don't know. I hope you are too. So, me right now, being a super cycle, I'm seeing Jasmine at $1. Okay, probably 60 cents first. We're going to look at 60 cents. At 60 cents, this position will make me $470,000. Then we'll reevaluate the market. At $1, let's go at $1. This position will make me $807,000 at $1. But it depends on their lockup. Okay, I think that we're about to get more information about how the lockup is going to work. That is why if you look at my my take profit for Jasmine, you can see I have it there. My Jasmine take profit is at $3. Because if their lockup goes the way they are saying, price might even go to $3. And if it goes to $3, this position right here will make me an insane amount of money. Understand? It will make me $2.4 million. And that's what I'm telling you guys. It's an opportunity. Okay? I'm telling you guys, it's an opportunity. The probability of it happening, yes, it is there. Even if it doesn't get there, I'm also still gonna make a lot of money with it because I monitor the market every day. You need to choose the winners. And guys, Casper, Quant, Jasmine, those are going to be big winners for this bull run. You need to be in there either on spot or on leverage. It's not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing because I have those on spot and on leverage. Okay, this is what we do here. This is my millionaire journey. We are here to make the money, to go from zero to a millionaire status. Understand? So please, that being said, guys, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Share, that way the YouTube will start sending this content to the like-minded people like you and me, and the family can grow. Again, please comment. I do try to respond to all your comments. Apart from that, I also like to know what you think about these topics, about the things that we are doing here. That being said, guys, please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next one. Always, Casper Maxi. Bye bye.